Coach Tom here with Vegan Logic. Yes, going vegan is the logical thing to do if you want to prevent pills, and more pills, or surgeries. Today I wanted to talk about cheese. That was one of the toughest things for my wife to give up, cheese, and there's a reason for that. I found this bag. There were some workers here in my yard. Believe me, I don't eat this stuff. But if you see there, it says the cheese fix. And that's an appropriate way of putting it because cheese is like a drug. Casein contains casomorphins, very similar to opiates like morphine and heroin. And these casomorphins attach to the same brain receptors that heroin and morphine attach to. So it is an addictive food. So it's not going to get you arrested eating cheese, but it is damaging your health. You're pummeling your health every time you eat cheese. Creates an acidosis type reaction in the body, creates acids. It creates more cholesterol, more saturated fats. So you're clogging your arteries, you're slowing your digestion, and you're addicted to this food. You keep coming back for more. So I highly suggest getting off cheese. It's a must if you want to truly be healthy. So if you need help kicking the cheese habit, I'm here to help you. Please post a comment or a question below. And there are cheese alternatives where you can still satisfy that taste for cheese, but not get the casomorphins and all the other negative side effects from cheese. All the best, guys. Take care.